If you own a carpet cleaning business and you want to book more jobs, then stick around and watch the rest of today's video. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing, and we help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I want to talk with you about inflation, the economy, and your carpet cleaning business. And I really want to focus on what you can do rather than focusing on what's going on, right? So at a high level, inflation means things are costing more these days than they used to. And you've probably noticed it yourself. The cost of food has gone up. The cost of housing has gone up. The cost of services like carpet cleaning has gone up because the cost of materials has gone up and the cost of labor has gone up, right? If you're hiring people hourly to work for your cleaning business, you've probably noticed that you're having to pay a lot more per hour this year than you probably did 2 or 3 years ago. The cost of everything is going up. Gas prices especially have gone up. I work with a lot of carpet cleaners, and some of them are spending thousands of dollars a month on gas. The price of gas has gone up drastically this year, and those prices going up lead to customers feeling like they don't have as much money as they used to. And when people are talking about recession and inflation and stock market crashes, people get a little bit scared, right? And they start to think maybe something bad's going to happen and I should hang on to my money. Maybe I shouldn't book that carpet cleaning appointment that I know I need to book. Maybe I'll try to do it myself this year. There's all kinds of things that happen when people start to be afraid about what's going to happen in the economy. So rather than focusing on that, let's focus on what you can do about it in your carpet cleaning business to book more jobs in 2022, despite what's going on with inflation and the economy and everything else. First of all, answer every single phone call that comes in. That's probably the biggest tip that I've got to offer today. And I know it's a simple one. And I know some of you are going to go, man, I already answer every single call that comes in. I mean, unless I'm with a customer. I mean, unless I'm driving. I mean, unless it's 5:02 p.m., then I'm not going to answer because I'm closed, right? So put all those excuses aside. 2022 is the year to be answering every single phone call that comes in. If you have to hire somebody to answer the phone for you, if you've got the margin in your business to do it, then do it. Next up, call back former customers. If you've been in business for a while, you have customers you've served in the past who would be happy to have you come back and clean for them again. Offer to come back and clean their carpet if it's been more than 6 months since their last appointment. Offer to come and clean their upholstery if you did their carpet last time. Call your former customers and ask them if you can come back and clean for them again. That's one of the easiest ways to fill up your schedule if you've been in business for a little while and you got gaps in your schedule this week. Call a former customer and ask if they would like to take the available slot that you've got. The next tip I've got for you is to ask for reviews on every single job. If you've got review generation software in place, excellent. If you don't, ask a customer before you leave the house, will you leave me a review? Tell them where to leave you the review. Tell them to leave it on your Google profile or on your Facebook page. Give them a link if you can. And this is where review generation software can come in really handy. And I'm going to recommend Nice Job as review generation software that I think you should be using in your carpet cleaning business. I'm going to give you a link where you can save 50% off Nice Job a little bit later in this video. But just know that asking for reviews is probably one of the most powerful things you can do to grow your carpet cleaning business. It's going to help you get found on search engines. It's going to help you book more jobs. The other thing I would recommend, do not stop marketing your carpet cleaning business. Do not cut your ad budgets, especially if your ads are working for you. A lot of people, they get afraid, they get scared, they cut their ad budgets and they say, I don't have the money to spend on ads right now. The economy is too bad. Don't do that. Studies have shown that businesses that continue to market through a recession gain market share compared to their competitors who reduced their budgets or stopped marketing. So don't stop marketing your carpet cleaning business. If you have things that aren't working for you, if you're running ads somewhere and they're just really not working for you, they haven't been working in a long time and you don't have any hope of getting them working again, feel free to cut those channels. I've met carpet cleaners who are advertising in places that it's just not working for them. Cut those. But everything that's working, continue to invest there and increase your budget if you pull budget from somewhere else that's not working. If you pull budget from a direct mail campaign that hasn't produced a single lead for you in 3 years, take that budget and put into your Google Ads campaign and see what happens, okay? Next piece of advice I have for you is to raise your prices. If you haven't already raised your prices, my goodness, raise your prices. Please, you should have raised your prices last year. Make sure you're upselling on every single job. When you answer the phone and somebody says, I need 3 rooms of carpet, don't stop there. Ask them what else they need. Make sure they know you also offer protector, pet treatment. You can do hallways, stairs, that you can do their sofa, their love seat. Try to upsell every opportunity you get. When you get to their house, ask them, hey, while I'm here, I've got some extra time today. I left extra time for your appointment. Do you need me to clean that couch while I'm here? Try to upsell every opportunity you get. You might have to hustle a little bit this year. And if you don't feel like hustling, if you want to sit around and feel gloomy about the economy, then I want you to remember that your competitor down the street might be eating your lunch. They might be more willing to hustle than you are this year. And so if you don't want that to happen, get out, answer the phone, call your former customers, ask for reviews. Don't stop marketing your business. Don't cut your ad budgets, raise your prices, and upsell everybody. And also, on the bright side, maybe this whole economy thing will help you with your hiring, right? If you've been struggling to hire for the last year, maybe you'll have an easier time finding employees now that things are getting a little shaky. All right, moving on. Moving on from inflation, let's talk about Google Business Profile. And I know you're sick of hearing this, but Google has sent me so many notifications about this that I want to make sure that you guys are getting these. Google Business Profile messages are moving. They have moved. Google would like you to manage these messages somewhere else now. If you're getting notifications on your phone from Google Maps, if you're getting emails from Google Business Profile letting you know that your messages have moved to Google Maps and Google Search, you need to read those messages and find out where you have to go to respond to messages from customers now. The reason you want to do that is that Google is watching to see if your business is responsive or not when customers message you. So it literally pays for you to be responsive when a customer messages you through your Google Business Profile. Now that you are having to message those customers in a different place, I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity by dropping the ball here. Make sure you go figure out how to respond to customers in Google Maps or in Google Search so that you're not leaving these customers without a carpet cleaner to help them out. All right, next, I mentioned Nice Job earlier. If you need more reviews for your carpet cleaning business, Nice Job is running an incredible offer right now that I've never seen them run before, and it ends in just a couple of days, so you only have a couple of days left to act. Nice Job is offering a 14-day free trial and 50% off for your first 4 months if you're a new customer, but you have to sign up through a partner link. My partner link is in the description of this video. So you have to sign up through a partner link and you have to sign up for that free trial by the 21st of June. It's June 17th, 2022 right now as I'm shooting this video. That means you've only got 3 days left to sign up for your free trial. All you have to do is sign up for your free trial. So sign up for your trial through my partner link. And if you sign up through my partner link, full disclosure, I will earn a commission from Nice Job. That's Nice Job's way of thanking me for sending customers over to them. But I don't mind doing it because Nice Job is incredible software. And I've seen it help so many carpet cleaning businesses get more reviews on Google, on Facebook, and elsewhere. And it's helped them grow their business, book more jobs, and make more money. So I'm happy to recommend Nice Job. Honestly, if you haven't put a review generation software in place in your carpet cleaning business yet, this is your opportunity to do it. Go sign up for Nice Job and get 50% off your first 4 months. All right, next up, if you haven't started running Google Ads for your cleaning business yet, I just posted a new video that you should definitely go check out. I'm going to link to it at the end of this video to make sure you see it. The new video is all about Google Ads and why you really need to be running Google Ads for your cleaning business if you're serious about booking more jobs. Look, it's 2022. This is where carpet cleaners are putting their ad dollars these days. If you're not running ads on at least Google local service ads, if not Google ads as well, you're really missing out on a lot of phone calls, leads, and bookings that are probably going to your competitors who are running ads. So if you're still unsure about whether you should be running Google ads for your cleaning business or not, I want to help you make that decision for yourself. I posted a video on my channel earlier today that's going to help you decide if Google ads is right for your business. So go look for that video and watch it if you are not currently running a Google Ads campaign for your cleaning business and you think you might be missing out on some leads. Finally, Google Ads are just part of the overall marketing strategy that a carpet cleaning business needs to be using these days. You really need to have a website. You really need to be running ads. And you need a few other critical pieces if you're serious about booking more carpet cleaning jobs. To make things as simple as possible for you, I put all of this together in a new carpet cleaning marketing cheat sheet, and you can go get your free copy at gosearchparty.com/cheat sheet right now. It's going to give you everything you need to market your carpet cleaning business from start to finish. If you don't have a blueprint that you're following to market your cleaning business, this is the blueprint you've been looking for. When you go download this cheat sheet, I want to just warn you, I mentioned in a previous video that I'm going to be rebranding my business. If you go download this cheat sheet, you're going to see my new brand. Don't worry, you're in the right place. I know it doesn't say Search Party Marketing. Just go with it. And I think you'll see exactly what I'm talking about when you get there, right? So gosearchparty.com/cheat sheet is where you want to go to get a free copy of the marketing cheat sheet that's going to help you grow your carpet cleaning business, tell you exactly what you need from A to Z in order to get set up online, get found by customers, and get more phone calls, leads, and bookings. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, by the way. If you want to keep getting videos like this to help grow your carpet cleaning business, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep posting here on this channel, but things are going to be changing really soon. I know I keep saying that. So that's the last I'm going to say about it for today. Go searchparty.com/cheat sheet if you want to get a copy of the carpet cleaner marketing cheat sheet for one of the last times. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing, and I appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.